Come with catcher, oil-proof film, adapter. Turn on the vacuum pump, press the system. Scan the QR code to get Elitech Tools app, connect to the HVAC system. Click Settings to change the unit/temperature. Set the minimum vacuum value, logging interval, and recording status. The setting range of the minimum vacuum value is 1-1000 Pa. The solenoid valve automatically opens when the vacuum value rises more than 10 pascals. Turn on and off and set the logging interval. Real-time measurement interface. Click the graph to view the vacuum change in real time. Click plus and dash to set holding time. Set the time for the vacuum pump to continue vacuuming after the target vacuum value is stable.